Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin. Today I want to share with you some of our products. You can look at it here. This is our valve assembly. Yes, okay, please follow me. Let's check the details first. This is our VCI anti-rust bags, yeah. And also you can see this part. This is our labels. The first line, the Shumatt logos. If you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us. Yeah, because we can supply you this kind of customized services. The label, the logo, the packaging bags, and so on. And on this part, it's a product code F00VC01333. Yes, application model number is 0445110218 and 0445110286. And on this part is a QR code. Yes. I can open it. As you can see the inside part. Actually, we have two types of our packages. Yeah. Okay. Let's see about this one. Okay. I can open it to see the inside. We package it with oil papers. This is the whole side. And not only sealing whole side, but also we seal in separate parts. You can see this is a valve cap, and they had a coating and with a cup letters. This is a valve rod. Yes, we have different sizes and different lengths. Yes, if you want our product, please you can feel free to contact us. Any information, so I hope I can help you. Okay. Okay, so much for the product introductions. Actually, we have many models about our product. If you are not sure about our models, please send us the product code. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. About product, actually, there has several tips I want to share with you. The first tip: clean it with the oil. The second tips: the valve cap. When we install it, make sure it in the right positions. The valve rod can be move smoothly after assembly inject body. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Actually, each week we have videos on the Facebook and YouTube account. If you're interested about it, please follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Except that we also sell injector, nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, first for the pumps, and including the control valve we are showing today. Yeah. Any answers if you are interested, please feel free to contact us. Yes. Okay. So much for this product introductions. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye, my friend. Bye bye. Bye bye.